Welcome, dear viewers of Science Scribbles, to the topic Forest Biome. No specific size or shape is defined for an ecosystem. However, to qualify as an ecosystem, the unit must be stable and there must be a circular flow of materials within the unit. When we consider the size about an ecosystem, the life supporting part of the atmosphere, that is the biosphere or ecosphere, can be considered as the largest ecosystem. Again, based on size, the ecosystems are mega ecosystems like oceans, macro ecosystems such as forests, micro ecosystems such as a mountain, and nano ecosystems, which are further small ecosystems such as a part of a large ecosystem, spatially existing some individuality. Based on the nature of habitat, the entire water of the earth is called aquatic ecosystem, whereas the ecosystems operating on land are called terrestrial ecosystems. Land, which occupy about 1/4 of the Earth's surface, is characterized by a variety of climate, diversity of abiotic factors, and heterogeneity of biotic components. Low availability of water is the prime factor of terrestrial ecosystems, and water acts as a limiting factor in land ecosystems. There is much more fluctuations in environmental factors on land, and ecologically terrestrial habitats are much more varied. The fluctuations in environmental factors such as temperature, rainfall, moisture, sunlight, etc. are responsible for the formation of well-defined zones on land and are called biomes or life zones. A biome is the largest unit of a land community where there is a large area with similar flora, fauna, and microorganisms. A biome is always designated by the dominant climax or stable vegetation type such as grasses in a grassland or trees in a forest. Various similar ecosystems throughout the world are grouped together in the same biome. So an ecosystem is always smaller than a biome. Four major biomes are identified by ecologists such as forest biome, grassland biome, desert biome, and tundra biome. Various biogeographical zones of the earth contain more than one biome. That is, a biogeographic zone may contain forests, grasslands, and deserts. All uncultivated and uninhabited land with varying assemblages of trees, shrubs, and herbs are designated as forests. About 40% of the land is occupied by forests. Forests are found where there is sufficient moisture and temperature are available for the extent and growth of plants. Abiotic factors in a forest biome are less variable compared to other terrestrial biomes. The tree canopy prevents sunlight to reach ground and the moisture content of the forest soil is more stable. Loss of water by transpiration is prevented below the canopy as canopy act as windbreakers. Seasonal as well as day and night temperature fluctuations are also minimum in forests compared to other terrestrial biomes such as grasslands and deserts. Based on the difference in climate, soil conditions, and type of vegetation, forest biomes are classified into three types: rainforest, deciduous forest, and coniferous forest. Rainforests are found in the tropical regions where the climate is hot and moist. that is in regions receiving abundant rainfall and sunlight. These tropical rainforests are characterized by many types of tall, broad-leaved evergreen trees. So rainforests are evergreen forests and the seasonal changes are limited in evergreen rainforests. Evergreen forests of the tropic receive an annual rainfall of 200 to 225 centimeter, which is evenly distributed throughout the year, and hence temperature and humidity are generally high and stable. Diversity of flora is high in rainforests, generally more than 100 types, and also a diversified faunal presence of both invertebrates and vertebrates in rainforests. Evergreen rainforests are confined to South America, Central Africa, in the Western Ghats of India, Malayan Peninsula, and Northern Australia. The most important feature of deciduous forests are the falling of leaves during winter to overcome the adverse conditions of the season. Deciduous type forests are formed in places where warm summer and cold winter coupled with abundant rainfall are available. Loss of water from leaf surface is greater during the winter days, hence trees become bare and dormant during the season. Tropical regions also have deciduous type forests, but these are common in the temperate regions of the world. The growing season of the deciduous forests are the summer season only. Diversity of trees are low, about 10 to 20 when compared to the 100 to 500 in rainforests. Common deciduous trees are the broad-leaved oaks, maple, cedar, etc. Faunal diversity is also low when compared to the tropical evergreen forests. Coniferous forest biome is characterized by large cone-bearing trees such as pine, spruce, alder, etc. of the gymnosperms. Coniferous forests are also evergreen forests found in the cold regions with heavy rainfall and humidity, where fairly long winter and very short summer exist. These forests are confined to North America, Eurasia, Central America, and Siberia of the Northern Hemisphere. Coniferous forests are the chief source of timber to the world timber industry. Thank you for watching Science Scribbles.